Welcome to your free trial. We're excited to have you on board. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how easy it is to get started and make the most of your trial experience. Stay connected with your customers using one-on-one conversations in the inbox, perfect for quick replies and building relationships. Want to reach more customers at once? Start with a message campaign. It's the easiest way to send a bulk message in just a few clicks. Save time with automation and templates. Set up messages, responses and workflows to engage customers even when you're offline. Easily import your contacts to organize and manage your audience from one place. Already using Shopify, HubSpot, or Salesforce? Connect your favorite tools in just a few steps to streamline your workflow. Get detailed reports to track performance and invite team members to collaborate and scale faster. Some features are limited in the free trial, but once you're ready, upgrading unlocks our full suite of powerful tools. Now it's your turn. Start by sending your first campaign and see how easy it is. If you need help, we're here for you. Happy messaging!